This is Madison, and she works for Mid-Columbia Libraries. When Madison had some car troubles earlier this year, she started riding her bike to work.
And that was when it was like 100 degrees outside. So I made a decision that this fall that I would make more of an effort to ride my bike to work.
Choosing not to drive can feel more complicated, and the purpose of Week Without Driving is to consider these barriers.
I think my biggest barrier would be the 100-degree weather when it is hot here in the Tri-Cities. Also the time, but I have power over my schedule, so I can control that and make more of an effort and make time.
Week Without Driving isn't only about riding the bus, it's about any travel that doesn't involve a personal vehicle.
I would just love to ride my bike to work more and inspire my other coworkers to ride their bike. Maybe it'll start a movement, who knows?
For Madison, riding her bike is as much about the community as it is about herself.
I feel really lucky that it's a fairly easy ride for me to get to work. I do have some bike lanes, but I think it could always be better to know that the bike lanes are being used by folks. Maybe we need to see more of that in our city. I think this is a perfect way for me to challenge myself, and I like the idea of incorporating something so meaningful and actually simple that helps me but also helps the planet, and maybe at least some of those people that saw us today would have similar thoughts and be like, I need to go and dust off my bike and get around town.
Take the Week Without Driving challenge with us and consider, what if you couldn't drive?